Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to buy games on Steam. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Steam application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Steam if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the store. As you can see, we have the library, the community, we have your account, and here of course you have the view, friends, games, help, and a lot of options. Here you can go and search for a lot of stuff. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and buy games on Steam. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, you can do it by doing two things. So basically, you can go to this bar here, and you can go to the search bar and type in the name of the game or anything about the game that you would like. Also, you can go to your store, or you could go to new and new here to see top sellers, categories, and a lot of things. But for instance, let's say that you want to buy a game from categories. You then go to categories. Then, for instance, let's say that you want to buy this puzzle game here. So some of the puzzle games, sorry. Click on there. Of course, then you need to go and find the game that you would like to buy. For instance, let's go and click on this one. And here, as you can see, you can go and then scroll down and check out everything about the actual game. And of course, then you can go and just buy the game here. So guys, that will be everything for this video. You can just go add it to cart and buy it, of course. Sorry, I didn't tell that. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.